everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. Today I have a quick, easy, and really simple tutorial. I will finish making the cover of this journal using the Graphic45 papers. I have here 3 signatures. Some pages are embellished, but this is still not done. But today we are going to finish the cover. So I already started it, and this is the back, the front. The paper pad that I used from Graphic45 was the Fairie Wings Collection, and I love this. It is a really pretty collection. And then I ran out of the paper, so I used another Graphic45, which is the Tropical Travelogue, which is also very pretty. So my next project will be using this Tropical Travelogue because I still have the papers. Okay, so this is the front cover, and you can see the eyelets here. The base of the cover is Craftex, and I love using this because it is very flexible. It is like leather, very durable, and then like you can squeeze it, you can wash it, you can sew on it like fabric. So I love it. And then I have here the eyelets, which actually didn't look very nice right now, but the original color was the pink color. I'm gonna show you. And the coating actually was removed, so it looked like that. That's still okay. Nothing I can do about it now. Okay, so we have here 3 signatures, and I did the 3-hole pamphlet stitch. I am not ready to do the flip through yet because I still have to make ephemera and the elements, the tags, and decorate some of the pages because it is not complete. This Fairy Wings collection is really awesome. I really love it, and I think I am going to try to get hold of another kit so I can make a bigger journal. I'll try to finish the embellishment tonight, and hopefully I can do a flip through in a couple of days. I have been inspired by Mandy of SunflowersAndDors, and she did a flip through of her Tim Holtz journal, and it is just beautiful. I love it. It was about 3 weeks ago she did a flip through, and I kind of took her cover and binding idea so I can make this journal. But I don't have the color that I want for my elastic, so I am going to use the seam binding because I love this color. It is available in my shop too, and I crinkled it, so let's use this. So very easy, you just insert the end of the seam binding through the hole. So we have here 3 seam bindings, and we are going to do this 3 times. And if you're wondering why I have a middle hole, I will show you why shortly. Just like that. Friends, if you're hearing my daughter in the background, she is singing right now. She just came from work, and that's her way of relaxing. So she has a beautiful voice though, not like me. She's staying with me for a year. I hope longer though, but I know she's a city girl, and we are very far from the city, so I know that she would like to be back to Toronto. And hopefully the pandemic is over and she's okay to go back to her work before. But right now, yeah, she's staying with me. Okay, so this will be for the last signature. Can you hear her? She knows I'm recording, but that's good, eh? She's happy, I'm happy. I just missed my other one, my eldest. She's in Toronto with her family, and we haven't seen them since I and my husband had the COVID. So hopefully when the weather is better, maybe in a couple of weeks, we can go visit. Okay, so we need another ribbon or seam binding, and we are going to put this through this middle hole. I really love this color. This is teal blue crinkled seam binding, and it is just lovely. Okay, so we'll just get the other end and we'll put it through the hole too. I just need my poking tool here. Let's see if I can get it through easily. Nope. Okay. Of course, it's not as easy when you are recording it. But just give me a minute. There you go. I think I got it. Okay. So just pull it and let's make this pretty. There you go. And you just need to adjust this. Now it's not going to be elastic, but I'm okay with that. I just really like this ribbon. My elastic is color black and it's thick, so I don't like it for this journal. So I think this will be okay. What do you think, guys? Do you like the color? I think I like that. Alright, so then we will just tie this. Now, if you do not want to have a middle hole, that's okay too. But I think I just like it like this because I want to add a dangle or a charm here. So hopefully that would look pretty as well. Alright, so let's cut this. And then I will find something in my charm box and then add something there. Alright, so now we have all this seam binding and our signatures are ready to bind. So this is a really very simple binding and I hope you like this. Okay, so let's start adding our signatures. This middle page or the middle of the signature I have to decorate still, and I am still gathering some ideas. I like Mandy of SunflowersAndDors page layout series, and I actually used one of her ideas already. Episode number 4, I already used it, and when I do the flip through, I'm going to point out the page layout that I got from her series. So if you want inspiration, go watch her. I will provide her link in my description. I also had a page here where I used the idea of Virginie. You probably saw my other video, my what was the title of that? The biggest junk journal I've ever received. That was from Virginie, and she has really amazing page layout, and so I took some of her ideas as well. Sometimes we just need inspiration to complete a project, and that is me. Sometimes I run out of ideas, and so I know I'm very behind on watching videos. The series of Rachel and Bella Crafts, I still am very behind. The one that just finished last month, and I am still trying to catch up, but they provided so many great ideas there too. The title of that series was the Tips, Tricks, and Hacks collaboration. I was not able to join in that collaboration because that month was just the busy month for me, but I am going to join the next one. Hopefully you stay tuned for that. Okay, so we are almost done here. And then I will add maybe charm on each ribbon, so we'll see. So that's our binding, and just, you know, quick peek. Again, this will still be embellished, and I will have to show you this. These are projects that I made following the tutorial from, again, Mandy Reed. She's my favorite channel right now. SunflowersAndDors. So this is the altered paper clip, and she did an amazing tutorial, from, again, the collaboration of Rich and Bella Crafts. So I just followed her tutorial, and then I used some of the dies that I have, and these are my altered paper clips, so very easy to use for embellishment, just like that. But her tutorial is very simple and, again, fun and really awesome. So I will also provide her link here, so please check that out. Okay, so let's put this one here. Mandy showed several ways of altering paper clips. So I took what I think would fit my project, but I'm going to try to use her other ideas. So this will be tucks, and so that's the other side. There you go. This one probably can go maybe here. Let's see. Okay. Oh, here. Probably here. Okay. So you have both sides decorated now. And then, of course, you can still clip something there. Okay. So this is our journal. And then for the closure, it's very flexible too. I love it. I love the feel. I hope you like this. And of course, I will still decorate the cover, but let's do the closure for now. I am also using seam binding, same color, teal blue, for the closure. Now, when this is embellished, I'm not sure if I am going to put this in my shop. Maybe I'll just use it for personal, but who knows? We'll see. My daughter also likes this, so we'll see. If I put this in the shop, then when I do the flip through, I'll of course share that with you. I just love making junk journals. It's fun, it's very relaxing, and it is rewarding, especially when the junk journals are appreciated by others, right? Very rewarding. Plus, I also enjoy writing and really using my journals. It's very good for our mental health. So this closure is one of the easiest that we can do. And I think this is going to be a pretty closure as well. So we will see. Okay, so just like that. And then that is done. And all we have to do is tie this. Make a nice ribbon. And because this is craft text based, I mean the cover, then it's very flexible and it will last a long time. Very nice to the feel too. Alright, so this is my latest project, and I will add some more embellishment here maybe. Who knows? But I will have the flip through when this is completed, and hopefully you guys watch that. So thanks again everyone for watching and for supporting my channel. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube family. I appreciate you all. God bless you. Bye now. Till next time.